Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial of Wealthy Affiliate. Wealthy Affiliate is a training platform made to teach you affiliate marketing. Of all I've found so far, Wealthy Affiliate is my favorite. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a website using Wealthy Affiliate. So here you go to websites and you go to Site Builder. On Site Builder, you can register a domain, add a website to a domain you own, or create a free website. So going to the free website creator, this will tell you if a domain is available. So let's say I type in a domain. Testing. Okay, so that example is taken. I'll just add some numbers after it. And it's available. So now, you then add the name. Okay. So you add the name. And then you choose a theme. Let's choose this theme for example. And after choosing the theme, click on Build My Website. So then Wealthy Affiliate begins to build your website. It doesn't take too long. Okay, there you go. Then you were given your login information. You can also reset your password by clicking this button. Okay, so click on Login. And you were given access to the back room of your website. And now, if you go to Site Content and Wealthy Affiliate, you are given the ability to post articles to your website. So I'll just call this article Testing. Then click on Publish, choose a website, and then you can make it a page or a post. You choose your user, and then you publish. Then you view post, and you are able to see it from your website. If you are interested in trying Wealthy Affiliate, check my description, and you may click on my affiliate link to Wealthy Affiliate. Thank you.